What is an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag, like start tag, element content, end tag. Start tag, element content, end tag. Some elements does not have an end tag, like BR element. A web browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari is used to read HTML documents and display them correctly. A browser does not display the HTML tags, but uses them to determine how to display the document. We are now going to write our first web page. Step 1. Open Notepad or any text editor in your device. Write or copy the following HTML code into Notepad. You can get this from description. Step 3. Save the HTML page. Select File. Save as in the Notepad menu. Name the file index.html and set the encoding to UTF-8, which is the preferred encoding for HTML files, and click Save. Step 4. To view the HTML page, open the saved HTML file in your favorite browser. The result will look much like this. In the next video, we will how elements can be nested and how to write headings and paragraphs efficiently.